What's up everybody? I've got a 2 foot by 4 foot grow tent right here. Mars Hydro sent it over to me. I think I gotta get the assembly on camera. Similar like I did with my vlog video. I'm gonna try to do this in record time. Well, I don't know if it's actually a record, but I'm gonna do it as quickly as I possibly can. In my vlog video, I did a 4x4 grow tent assembly. I tried to do it in under 5 minutes. If you missed that, I'll link that in the description section below so you can see. It didn't quite hit 5 minutes, but I was very, very close. This is a smaller grow tent, like I said, 2 foot by 4 foot. I'm still gonna aim for 5 minutes assembly time. Let's see if I can make it this time. I have all of the pieces laid out as efficiently as possible. I have the grow tent unraveled. This is the bottom part of the grow tent. I also have a second camera right here that's going to be recording the stop clock. So again, trying to assemble this as quickly as I possibly can. The goal is 5 minutes or less. Let's see if I can do it. And 3, 2, 1. Time. Oh, hell yeah. 4 minutes and 20 seconds on that one. Couldn't have ended on a better note. That's it for this video, guys. Just wanted to make a quick video of me assembling this grow tent and sweating again. I'll link to this grow tent in the description section below. I'll link to that vlog where I assemble a 4 foot by 4 foot grow tent as fast as I can. Is also linked in the description section below. I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, peace.